This helmet has been a part of more or less my entire career, especially road racing. From the very beginning, my first year in Grand Prix, Nolan was able to support me when nobody else would. They saw things in me and believed in me when nobody else would, and I was able to do the same for them. We started a great relationship together from the very beginning. And through ups and downs for both us and the company in racing, we were able to both move forward and up through our careers. So it was a great feeling to be able to stay with a company like Nolan and grow together and achieve the things we did was very special for me. I will admit I'm not I don't exactly know everything to do with the company. I know it was founded in 1972. I know that there's almost 400 people working inside. I know that everything is fully integrated inside, from producing these helmets, everything's manufactured. And it's something really special. I think it's a real Italian company. And I think this is why their innovations have always moved forward. Rather than backward. It's always a forward-thinking company that's ready to take the next step. I think the fact that they believed in me when nobody else did is the biggest part for me why I started this relationship with Nolan. And as you see in racing, many times riders change companies or they change manufacturers for different things. And I'm not going to lie and say that I was offered other manufacturers and other companies, but in my opinion, I would never leave Nolan, as they've shown faith in me when I was at the very beginning and I didn't have a name, I didn't have any results. And also, once we grew together, the level of product is so high, I wouldn't even consider putting my head in another helmet now. So this is something really special to me and something very important, especially the speeds that we're doing these days. Safety is paramount. So to have my head in a Nolan helmet is the only way for me. The innovation has been something up and down, a lot of experimentation. Everything from the material that we use inside the helmets now to take away the sweat, because these bikes are running at 120 degrees, so that together with the track temperature is extremely physical work. Then we have the anti-fog systems on the visors, which in the past a lot of manufacturers have had problems with. But once we discovered how to use it correctly with Nolan, we have had zero problems ever since, and this is something that was a big step forward for us. The air vent system, helmet stabilization, the use of carbon and how light now the helmets are, the safety values, it's amazing. In the past, if I had some crashes with another brand, I know that I would have probably been unconscious. But with Nolan, I was able to stay very conscious and without any problems in the head with some very big crashes. So for me, the level is well above everybody else and has been for some time. Safety is a huge point. You cannot put your head in something that is not going to be there to save you. Bones, they heal. There's lots of other aspects that you can crash, and you still have to try and increase the safety, but you can recover from other injuries. But a head injury is something very, very important and very difficult, and you only have one. So for me, it was paramount that we stayed with Nolan for this. And like I said, the improvements in safety and impact resistance is huge. I only use my Nolan helmets. It's if I was ever to wear another helmet, it doesn't feel correct for me. And so it's especially when I'm riding motocross now, whenever I'm going on the road on my adventure bike, on my multistrada, I'm always using Nolan helmets. Doesn't matter which area, what I'm doing, I'm always using a Nolan. So this is very important for me. Like I said, between safety and everything else that goes with it, the innovations, for me it's incredible.